back. We're back. We're back. Someone kicked the cord, but we plugged it back in. Luckily, the market's it's pulling back a little bit here. ESNQ Gold. JD, anything else you got from the remarks or just insights into the meeting?
We got a couple of headlines coming across the tape. Fed policymakers see end of 2026 PCE inflation at 2.4% versus 2.6% prior. Core at 2.5% versus 2.6 prior. So a little better as we get closer to the end of next year. Those Fed projections also show a wide divergence of views for the path of rates in 2026 and beyond. So that's your dot. That's how it's affecting your dot plot. Hawkishness into dovishness. How many rate cuts are we going to have next year? Still kind of up in the air.
Here we go. Four
other movement. We're right back at
four other Fed officials see three 25 basis point cuts in 2026. Just like you said, JD, wide divergence indeed. Markets right now,
as I said, 3 dots for rate hikes in 2026.
Rate hikes?
A little surprised. Yeah. 3 oh boy. Yeah, we got descent going.
Oh wow.
I did come across an interesting
thing though.
Rate cuts
in the 10-year, and we're still pushing around the highs of the session from the announcement up a cool 30 points in the ES.
There is a lot of uncertainty. This is going to be very interesting, very interesting Q&A here. In about 14 minutes, bottom of the hour, we'll be piping that in from start to finish. So yeah. Did they mention jobs? Anything about the employment or jobs? I haven't seen much mention about jobs because last meeting in October, that
job
was
gains. Saying the labor market has softened with job gains slowing and the unemployment rate rising slightly. That came from the released announcement.
Well, just a couple of weeks ago, it was 50-50 whether this rate cut was even going to happen.
I know. We're looking for January. We are looking at a 91%. Wow, that jumped. 92%. Take that back. January. Nothing's changed that much. Oh, Fed watch though. On a day like today, Jack. Take it with a grain of salt, correct? Maybe let it cook. For a little bit.
Let it.
Okay.
Here's some information from Bloomberg that came out. Traders are now pricing in virtually no more rate cuts from the European Central Bank, while betting on all but certain rate hike this month in Japan and a 2/4 point increase next year in Australia. So global rates are expected to rise.
Wow. All right. Again, Fed cutting. Yep, 25 basis point cut indeed, went from 4% to 3.75%. And some selling coming in here. Markets aren't doing too much. You saw that pop, about 100-point pop in the NQES, 25-point pop there. All right, Jack, you got the props for the Q&A for
I do it. 82% chance of saying inflation over 40 times, 55 over 50 times, 60 times. What else we have here? Tariff over 13 times, 33%. Oh my God.
Is it just for the Q&A? I can...
yeah, artificial intelligence. Mentioned 3 times is about a coin flip. Good afternoon, 98%.
Oh, yeah. What was the one last Q&A that was a long shot, but somehow he like inadvertently said, what was the term? What was that phrase? Apologizing? Was it apologizing maybe? Forgot.
Yeah, perhaps. One more thing, 15% chance of saying Trump. I think that's probably free money. He purposely avoids ever saying the president's name. but I guess it could be used as a verb too. So that could be a bad beat there.
All right,
Jack, just in the prepared statement, the word inflation used appears 5 times. So what was the over-under on that? 50?
Inflation. Well, yeah, the coin flip is at 50 times.
Okay, 50 times.
Jeez.
Inflation.